The fifth and final aspect of my client's consultation I will be evaluating is nutrition. From my consultation with my client about their diet, I learnt that my client's nutrition is very poor, with her stating, "I never really cook for myself, I regularly eat fast food." Looking at her diet, I can see she eats a lot of processed food, such as pizza, chips, and burgers. This is because my client was never taught how to cook, as when she was growing up, she simply ate what her mother made. So when she moved out, she had no cooking knowledge, leading to her simply eating easy meals that does not require her to cook, which, as well as being extremely fatty and unhealthy, also offer little to no nutritional value, containing very little nutrition and minerals that the body need to function correctly. This is very negative for my client as it places her at risk of becoming malnourished or developing deficiencies, such as scurvy, which occurs from a lack of vitamin C. Scurvy leads to increased fatigue, weakness, and soreness, and later in stages, decreased blood cells count and bleeding from the skin. This is why it is vital for my client to eat a balanced diet. Furthermore, the food that my client is consuming on a regular basis is extremely negative for her body, as they are very calorific, meaning they contain a very high amount of calories, making my client more susceptible to putting on weight, as excess calories are being stored in fat deposits. In relation to my client's diet, she possesses no strengths. However, the fact that she has sought out help to improve her lifestyle shows that she is willing to change and has an understanding that she is eating incorrectly and has negative implications upon her health, which could be seen as a positive.